Welcome to Mindscape, where curiosity comes alive. Here you'll discover fascinating facts, epic stories, and mind-blowing ideas about space, science, history, psychology, and the wonders of our world. If you're passionate about learning something new every day, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a discovery. And as you watch, drop a comment to share your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Get ready to explore knowledge like never before. This is Mindscape.
Space is full of secrets that are stranger than science fiction. Today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe, and number 10 will leave you speechless. Let's explore the cosmos. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth? Scientists estimate there are around 1 sextillion stars. That's a 1 followed by 21 zeros. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh about 4 billion tons, roughly the weight of Mount Everest. Some planets don't orbit stars at all. They're called rogue planets, drifting through the galaxy completely alone. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to circle the Sun. There's a giant cloud of water floating in space, containing 140 trillion times the water of Earth's oceans. It's 12 billion light-years away. Black holes don't suck everything nearby. They pull objects only if you get too close, just like gravity on Earth. There's a planet made almost entirely of diamond called 55 Cancri E. Its value? About $27 nonillion. A single day on Mercury has dramatic temperature swings, from 430 degrees Celsius during the day to 180 degrees Celsius at night. The Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy are on a collision course. Don't panic, it'll happen in about 4 billion years. And here's the kicker. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take over 100,000 years to cross our galaxy from end to end. Space is unimaginably huge. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more incredible discoveries, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure into the unknown.